Hello. Today I am going to explain about PySpark for data frame creation using struct to schema method. Actually, the PySpark used for big data processing. In the big data processing, in the PySpark mainly, first we will create the Spark session. After creating a data frame. After we will apply the transformations actions. But mainly data frames working with like a tabular representation, or we have considered the RDD, PySpark support RDD, a resilient distributed data set. But now, today, I want to explain about using data frame creation using struct to schema method. So we will show the practically how to create a struct to schema. So first open the Google Colab. In the Google Colab, we write the queries. So here, first we are importing required libraries. From PySpark.sql import Spark session. Spark session is the main entry point to the Spark programming. So it must be importing before that. And also some the struct type, struct field, data types. Also we are importing from PySpark.sql.types import struct type, struct field, string type, integer type. So these struct keyword working means we must importing this one. So struct type, struct field, string type, integer type data types. Now we will create a Spark session with Spark equal to Spark session dot builder dot app name. Then I have chosen the app name queries, or otherwise I can given the name, for example, struct queries. Struct queries dot getter create. So this Spark session builder form is creating a Spark session and application name struct queries. Getter create keyword is used to create a new one, or if already exists, using that one. So now this entire line Spark equal to Spark session dot builder dot app name of the application dot getter create. Then next schema. First design the schema. Schema equal to the keyword struct type. Struct type, then given the list of fields or attributes, but every attribute must be given this keyword struct field. Struct field, then name of the field, then data type. Data type, for example, first field name, struct field name. Name is the data field or attribute, data type string type, and one more keyword true is there. True means null values accepted. If false means null values don't accept. That's why we must mention that true or false. So true means null may be possible. That's why we have chosen that true also. So this is the keyword, begin keyword, struct to type, bracket, and you must mention the struct field, name of the field name, data type, then true. Next field name, struct field, course, string type, true. Every field you must be compulsory given the keyword struct field. Then one more struct field age, but age integer type. So this is the schema design. So struct type, keyword beginning, bracket, and square bracket. You must mention the all struct field, name of the field, data type, then boolean value. One field is over. Next field, again struct field, course, string type, true. Next struct field is 3 fields we are designed in the schema, 3 fields. So now we can be run this one also. Now schema is designed. Now after that, I want to create a data. Now schema was designed. Now we must apply the data also. Then data in the Python list method. First name data, course age. Next one more. So here 4 records are entered. Name, course, age given, and data frame was, suppose for example data frame df1 equal to spark dot create data frame. Then we can choose on the parameters data and schema. Actually this is the data frame creation in the PySpark. df1, what is the variable name? We have chosen here df1 equal to spark dot create data frame, spark dot create data frame, and data as well as schema. Now run the query. So show is the action, df1 dot show, display the results. Yes, this is the data frame creation using struct type or schema, struct type schema creation. So how to create struct type? Then every field, struct field, name, data type, true or false must be going. So then data frame name is df1 dot show is the actually data frame created after that to df1 dot show must be supplied. Then next I want to write a query. For example, we are writing this filter concept. So here I want to filter only display the names where course equal to MCA. How this one means the condition, like in the SQL where condition, here we have considered the filter. Our data df1 dot filter. After that, we must choose the which column, what is the condition. So course, But the data frame actually like a select statement to df1 course equal to MCA. So immediately actually this called filter is called one of the transformation. Show is called action. Both are applied simultaneously only. Previously we have created this data. Data is there. Data frame created and we are applies only the transformation as well as action filter. Filter is about a condition. How to apply filter? Data, our result will be where is the df1 dot data frame name dot filter. Then what is the column name? Column selected through data frame name square bracket. You must mention the column name also. Where is your column name? Course equal to MCA dot show. Now I want to only show the core details of the course equal to MCA only. Yes. So it can display the name, course, age, all fields are selected. But what is the condition? Course equal, we want to display the only details of the file whose course equal to MCA. This data, one of the filter. And one more example we have considered here. Now, for example, here take the one more query. Their course equal to MSc. Same query. df1 dot filter df1 course equal to MSc dot show. Only we want to show the MSc details. Yes, course equal to MSc. So this way we are write the queries like that. Queries we have written this one. And one more, for example, we have considered the apply the filter, but here we are only consider the filter, apply the filter. Now one more filter applies condition. For example, here result equal to df1 dot filter df then age greater than 40. So we want to display the details of students whose age greater than or equal to 40. So we want to display the age greater than 40. How to apply the filter? df1 dot filter. First filter selecting. Next which column? Age column. But how to selecting data frame name with column name, then condition greater than 40. But here we are not showing immediate data. We are storing temporarily into the result variable. After filtering the data, the result is storing the result. Now I want to display the results also. This condition result to temporarily storing result dot show. Now result dot show. Yes. See the results. Two students are there above age 40. So this is the filter command. Filter command. We are apply this one, and now we should show the whatever the condition. I want to show the suppose I want to show the name of course. Suppose like a select statement. Actually, df1 dot select name of course, then show. Display the only name of course, like a select statement. So what is the query? df1 dot select name course. Name course. So the selection will be using through the same this value or this also using is selecting the course, this one. And next we are apply to the, we want to apply the this value to the, suppose here group by function. Group by function. Suppose course wise, what is the group by data result df1 dot group by which column? Course. We must course group it and counting group wise how many students are there like that. Then count dot show. Run the query. Now here see it. MCA 2 candidates are there, MSc 1, BTech 1. So this is the group by function, aggregate function. So data frame name dot group by which column? Course. Then apply the aggregate function count. Counting number of students are there. So this one example like group by function. And again, we want to apply the group by function, for example, here. Now here, df1 dot group by course, some age. So we want to group by a course-wise group. After that, we want to apply aggregate function sum of ages. Okay, we show this one also. Previously count function, now we can be. See, MCA course age, total age 77, MSc 52, B9. So this is the aggregated function. Group by course wise number of students are there. Group by course wise sum of age. We calculate sum of course wise age. So this example can show the course wise age like that. And after that, one more example I want to given the one more example like I want to names are shown this one. So here, but we want to, for example, concatenation or call. This also we want to work with call or concat means we must be importing from PySpark dot SQL dot functions import COL for column selection and concatenation concat. So what is the suppose I want to display the names of a students whose name begin with, for example, R, for example. So I want to show the name begin with R. So df1 data df1 dot filter. Previously filter we have the option data frame name subscript column name or call function column name. So now here we have considered the call name of the column name dot like function. Like function, then we are applied to the beginning of any character and middle is the J, after that also J showing up. So we want to display names of students whose character beginning whatever letter, ending whatever letter, but middle J letter is there. So I want to display this value through J letter. So Raja is there. So what is there this one? So display the names of students whose middle letter is J. That's why beginning percent symbol means any pattern matching. Ending also any pattern, but middle is the J letter. So this is the like operator applies, like SQL. Like operator applies to this value, or we want to apply same query to the beginning with the name also, for example, here. So at begin with, for example, R like that. R percent. After R, we will be showing us this one. Display names of begin letter R. Yes, R. R nothing but there. R. End with R. Okay, end with R. But before that, I apply the before that percent, then R we are taking up this one. Then show this one. Yes, ending the R letter. Ending the R Kumar is there. Ending R letter, and previously example we have taken the, these are the values. This is one of the example. So we want to select the one more query. Suppose one more query where applies here. So df1 dot select, but here concatenation function, concat concatenation, then concatenation select data frame name dot select, but apply function concatenation, first column name comma, second column course alias course name. We want to concatenate first column, second column. What column means? Actually, we have selecting a column through select statement to call function or this data frame data frame name dot name also, df name dot name, then show function. Yes, we are concatenation course name because of here how to apply the concatenation function, df1 dot select, then apply the concat function, then which columns df data frame name df1 dot name column comma course, name column course column are joined, and alias give we are given the variable name, choose the column name alias given it, we will given the course name like that, course name like that, we can give whatever name like that. So these are the concatenation function applies this one. And one more I want to show the from names are given it, names are applied to the one more here. So our data df1, then df1, so actually upper lower length also. So we want to converting the uppercase to lowercase letters also. We want to show the uppercase to lowercase letters numbers. So we will see it here. What is this one? From PySpark.sql functions, import upper to lower length. So df1 dot select, then apply the upper function, column name. So you want to show the all names uppercase letter only. Yes. So all uppercase. So from PySpark.sql functions import upper lower length df1 dot select, then apply the upper function column name like that. So this is the upper function converting this one. Upper function converting, and next we want to show the length of the name also. So df1 dot select name length name. We are selecting the name and find the length function, length of the name displayed of it. Yes, name Ravi 4 characters, Kumar 5 like that. So these are the we have considered the length function, length, then upper lower concatenation and some filter. So in this session we have learned about the struct keyword, how to use struct type, structure type variable in the PySpark, and creating a data frame, how to filter with different formats, how to select a column, and also how to apply the group by function, and some this concatenation operator, like operator, we are using this one. So this is the, I think this is useful to you for writing a small queries using in the PySpark application. Using this, it is easy for this one PySpark, like it is like a SQL query. It is like SQL query only. So we must be learn this one. We want to schedule the data scientist or big data analyst or data engineer like that. You know the all this syntax required for small like SQL queries only required. So I think hope you are understand this one.